In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your Microsoft password. That means for Microsoft, Office 365, any of those products that are Microsoft that you use a password, you can now eliminate the password completely. No more password to remember. I will say you should already be using the Microsoft Authenticator app. I have a video for that. If you look in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see the link that you can go take a look at that video first. In this video, I'm going to remove my password from Microsoft, but I am using the Authenticator app during the process. Okay, the first thing you want to do is go to account.microsoft.com and sign in. Now, you may have to use your password to sign in, but you have to get into the account first so we can remove the password. Once you're in there, at the top, go up to Security. Click or tap Security. When that page opens, find the block that says Advanced Security Options and tap on Get Started. Once in there, scroll down past everything that's at the top until you find Passwordless Account, which in this case is off. I'm going to tap on Turn On. When I do that, I get an explanation. It reduces the risk of phishing and password attacks, etc. You can read what it tells you there and then click or tap Next. Now, because I use the Authenticator app, it's asking me to look at that and approve the request. So on my phone, I see the request and I approve it. And now it says that my password is removed. No more password for Microsoft. No more password to remember for Microsoft. It's as simple as that.